Meaning of glorify.
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 Glorify. The word glorify means to praise or honor someone or something, usually in a way that elevates their reputation or status. It can also mean to exalt or give glory to a deity or religious figure. When we glorify something or someone, we are acknowledging their greatness and celebrating their achievements. This can result in increased admiration and respect from others, as well as a sense of pride and fulfillment for the person or thing being glorified. Overall, the act of glorifying serves to elevate and celebrate the best aspects of our world and the people and things in it.